Welcome back. Today we're going to be fading in and out audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I'm going to start by making sure that I've got some audio that can fade in and out. Fantastic. And I'm going to make sure that I've got my effects panel up in the top right hand corner. Now you may have it down in the bottom left. If you don't have it at all, chances are you don't have it ticked. So you just want to click on window and make sure that you've got effects ticked. Now we're also going to be working with effect controls. So just make sure you've got that ticked too. So I'm going to go to the beginning of my line and type in fade. What I'll do is give me audio transitions, crossfade, and then underneath there, within that folder, I've got constant gain and exponential fade. Gain is how we're going to gain audio, so increase it and fade it in, and exponential fade is how we're going to fade the audio out. I'm going to just start by fading some audio in by dragging the constant gain onto the beginning of my actual layer. So now we've got that there, I'm going to click spacebar, and the audio actually fades in. Now this happens quite suddenly and I want to increase the actual time that this happens over. So I'm going to click on that, and up in the top left hand side I've got effect controls. What this allows me to do is change the alignment, so I may actually want to start transitioning audio in before the transition has finished. So I can do that by centering it at the cut. However, I want to center at the start. Sorry, start at the cut, and then the duration, I want to increase this. So we can type it in here, or we can also use it the dragging tool. So I've set this at 4 seconds. I can also click on the layer, hold shift, and then that will allow me to change the actual time of it as well. So now you can see it's gone down to 3.18. So go to the beginning of the audio, click on spacebar, and the audio increases over time. And the process is the exact same for exponential fade. It's just a case of rinse and repeat. So drag our exponential fade onto the end of our audio, click on our layer, increase that time from 3 seconds, and likewise if I clicked on it and held shift, I could decrease that time or increase it if needed be. So I'm down at 2.1 seconds, click on spacebar, and the audio fades off. Thanks very much for watching.